Have you ever wondered what could be the implications when a CTO of a major tech company decides to sell a large chunk of their shares? Well, recently, Yoav Landman, the Chief Technology Officer of JFrog Ltd, a company listed on Nasdaq under the ticker FROG, did exactly that. On the 12th of January, Landman sold 10,000 shares of his JFrog stock. The shares were sold at an average price of $33.03, making the total transaction worth $330,300. Following this sale, Landman still directly owns nearly 7 million shares of JFrog, valued at approximately $230,860,000. This transaction was officially disclosed through a filing with the Securities and Exchange Commission. JFrog Ltd is a company that provides a DevOps platform in the United States, Israel, and other international markets. The company's products include a range of solutions like JFrog Artifactory, JFrog Pipelines, JFrog X-Ray, JFrog Distribution, and JFrog Advanced Security, supporting teams and organizations to manage their software packages at any scale. In its last quarterly earnings report on the 1st of November, JFrog reported a negative earnings per share, missing the consensus estimate. The company had a negative net margin of over 22% and a negative return on equity of over 7%. The business had revenue of over $88 million for the quarter, slightly above the consensus estimate. Analysts anticipate that JFrog Ltd will post negative earnings per share for the current fiscal year. This isn't the first time Landman has sold JFrog shares. In fact, in the span of 2 months, from November to January, he sold over 28,000 shares, collecting a total of nearly $950,000. So what does this all mean? Is it a sign of a lack of confidence in the company's future, or simply a personal financial decision by Landman? It's hard to say without more information, but it's certainly a development that investors and market watchers will be keeping a close eye on. In summary, the CTO of JFrog, Yoav Landman, recently sold 10,000 shares of his company's stock. This follows a series of similar sales over the past few months. Despite these sales, Landman still owns a significant portion of the company. The implications of these transactions remain to be seen, but they undoubtedly add an interesting twist to the narrative surrounding JFrog Ltd.